record this again. I'm not even, this is bullshit. Look at me run. I'm on a 3-bar apparently, yeah. Nice 3-bar, and I can't even run. Look at this. Connection interrupted. They're already in our spawn. He's stopping, he's freezing, he's freezing. I just dropped a 50 bomb on these kids in hardpoint. That's how bad they are. I can't even begin to explain how pissed I am and how bad these kids are. Just watch this. Look at that. What is that? This is bullshit. I'm still getting connection interrupted. It's connection interrupted right now. I didn't even get to see a kill cam. I can't even move. I don't even know if you guys can hear me because I can't hear anybody. There, look, you guys are frozen. Everybody's frozen. I have connection interrupted. You're frozen. I'm frozen. I can't even run. Connection interrupted. Nice flood. That's all I can say is nice flood. I'm going to have my good-ass time uploading this fucking proof. I'm done with this. Why do people worry about these just... We're going to ruin our perfectly good record. Our record that we earned. And we're not... Oh, my God. Bad. Horrible, horrible kids. Just want to sit here and flood me. Look at that. I'm on a 3-bar. Apparently, I'm on a 3-bar. Watch me run. Hold on. I can't even run. What is going on? They knew they could defuse because I can't play. They knew it. They just defused on me because I can't even run. Yeah, there's a sound. I'm getting kicked. It's frozen. I'm frozen right now. There we go. Finally, they booted me. Yay, they did it. They can do it. You have been disconnected from the Black Ops servers. Oh, yeah, that's my connection. Bullshit. Fucking ridiculous. Oh, look at them. Pre-game lobby. Why did it say pre-game lobby? Did anybody else see that? Oh, look at that. Ended it. That's game. 3-2. They ended it. I think they did. I don't know. No, they didn't. Am I flooding yet? Can anybody hear me? I'm done. I'm done.